valley for the first time in a while. It feels like a new dawn is breaking, and I'm free to laugh like a child. Is this what it feels like to be right where you're meant to be? This is a new beginning. Yeah, this is just a start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part.
Si Zico, masayahin naman siya lalo pag nakikita niya kami. Nakakatuwa kasi lalo ngayon sa age niya, parang ito na yung moment na parang ayaw niya nang mahiwalay sa amin. Lagi niya kaming hinahanap. Tapos pag madating kami, sobrang happy niya. Nakaka-enlighten talaga ng araw namin kapag nakikita namin siya.
Nung nasa loob pa lang siya ng tiyan ng mami niya, we noticed na sobrang likot niya, sobrang energetic niyang bata. So we expect na talagang makulit at bibo tong magiging baby namin. Siguro mga 4 months onwards, doon na lumalabas yung personality niya, mas clingy na siya, mas gusto niya yung lagi siyang kinakarga, and then mabilis din siya makafamiliarize dun sa mga taong nakapaligid sa kanya, especially sa amin.
It's a new beginning. Yeah, this is just the start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part. It's a new beginning. Whoa. A new dawn is breaking. Take a look at the world we're making. I think we're finally waking up.
Happy dedication and happy pre-birthday. Sobrang hintay namin yung day na to. Kaya sobrang happy namin na dumating ka sa life namin. Ang prayers ko lagi para sa'yo is lagi kang maging healthy, hindi ka magkakasakit. Parang yun palang panalo na kami doon. Paglaki mo sana God-fearing, syempre, and sunod ka sa amin ni Daddy.
Happy dedication, Zico, and advance happy birthday. Very grateful kami na dumating ka sa life namin. You bring life and color to our lives. You never know how much you save us from the darkness. And I just want you to be healthy and be successful in the future. Huwag ka mag-aatubiling mag-rely sa amin kasi we will always be there for you. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Zico.
This is a new beginning, yeah. This is just the start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part.
Happy birthday, Zico! 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 Happy birthday, Zico!
This is a new beginning. Yeah, this is just
Everyone, thank you so much for paglalaan ng oras sa importanteng araw na to sa life namin. Ang prayers namin is i-bless palalo kayo ni Lord sa mga endeavors ninyo at makilala pa kayo lalo ni Zico as he grow older. Thank you for celebrating with us.
To our families, relatives, and friends, we thank you for taking your time to celebrate with us Zico's dedication and his pre-birthday celebration. Just know na importante kayo sa buhay namin and we want you to be part of Zico's life as well. Kaya sa mga future kumari at kumpare namin, we hope na you will be there for Zico as well in the future. Yun, thank you and God bless.